Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a very simple but important process. How to change the exporting data path on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. If you've ever tried exporting your Telegram data, you know it saves a lot of information, like chats, photos, videos, and files. But by default, it chooses a specific location on your computer. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be able to pick the location you prefer, making your exports easier to organize and access. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. When you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner and click on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. Next, go down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Advanced and click it. This is where Telegram keeps most of its technical and storage-related options. Now scroll down until you find Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that allows you to back up the information you want. Click on it, and Telegram will show you a list of exportable data types. Here you can choose exactly what you want to include, whether it's chat history, contacts, photos, or even public channels. Once you've selected the data, continue scrolling until you reach the Download Path section. This is the key part you're here for. By default, Telegram assigns a standard location, but you can change it by browsing and selecting the folder or drive you want to use. Pick a location that makes sense for you, maybe your desktop, an external drive, or a specific folder you've created for backups. After setting the new path, confirm your choice. Then, simply hit Export to begin the process. Depending on how much data you've chosen, this step may take some time. When Telegram finishes preparing your export, it will give you the option to view it. Just click Show My Data and Telegram will take you directly to the folder you selected. From there, you can access all your exported files in one convenient place. That's it. You've successfully changed the export data path in Telegram's PC app. With this method, you're in full control of where your saved data goes, keeping everything organized and easy to find.